What's up guys, I'm back again. Okay, and please don't pause the video or don't go to another video, or maybe don't just stay on and listen to what I have for you. Okay, it's a very quick one. Okay, so I'm going to talk about market analysis. Okay, and in talking about market analysis, I won't just talk about market analysis, I would further go deep. Not that deep, but just something small you would need to have on your fingertips as a beginner or as a forex trader. Okay, so when I say market analysis is like you analyzing the market. Okay, and when it comes to analyzing the market, we have three types. Okay, we have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, and we have the sentimental analysis. Okay, so quick one. So with the technical analysis, I have a note here, so let me just show you guys what it is. So I don't know if you guys can see from here. So with the technical analysis is to study current price movement on the chart, whilst fundamental takes a look at how currency economy is doing. So that's the fundamental. So fundamental is more of the economic activity. So what the economy is doing, it can be a macro economy or a micro economy, but it relates to the country's economy. So that's the fundamental. Okay, so with the fundamental, that's when the news come in. Okay, news, mostly news. And also the technical is just to use the tools we have on the trading view to do your analysis. Okay, so mostly the technical analysis is based on past information that you use on the chart. Okay, and the sentimental determines whether the market is bullish or bearish on the current or future fundamental outlook. So sentimental, so it's based on your sentiments, what you see on the market. Okay, so basically, briefly, that's what technical analysis is, and fundamental and sentimental is. So I'll explain further again. So technical is using the past information, technical. So the study of the price movement. Okay, that's technical. But with the fundamental deals with the country's economy. So not just one country. I can be in Ghana here, then I'll use the American or the US economy to determine how the market will behave. Okay, so that's how the fundamental, and the sentimental is just based on your sentiment, how you think whether the market is going to be a bullish or a bearish. So mostly what analysis people like to use is either you are going to use a technical analysis or a fundamental. We have people that merges the two. Okay, we have people that use both technical and fundamental, and I would advise you, it's good for you to stick to using both. Okay, so you can do your technical analysis, then your analysis is telling you that you are going to, maybe this market is an uptrend, okay, or you are being bullish. Then the news will come there to change the trend of the market. Okay, so when I say change the trend of a market, let's say if the market was to be in an uptrend and there is change of trend, or maybe the market change of structure, the market will now go towards a bearish market, that's a downtrend. Okay, so basically this is what we have, the three types of market analysis. Okay, so mostly works hand in hand, I would say. It works hand in hand. Okay, so yeah, there's a technical analysis, and also when it comes to forex markets too, we have types of charts. Okay, so the types of charts is something like this. So let's say like this one type of chart. We have a line chart, a bar chart, and a candlestick chart. So this is an example of a line chart. So yeah, this example of a line chart. So a line chart, and we have a bar chart. A bar chart is something like this. So a bar chart, this is how a bar chart looks like. So this is how a bar chart looks like. Okay. So this is the opening of the market, and this is the closing of the market. Okay, and a line chart is just line. Okay, and this a candlestick. So this is how a candlestick is. So it's something like this. Let me draw it too. So like this. So this is what a candlestick is. Okay, and also I'm going to just explain quick one. I'm going to just name the candlestick part. Okay, so let me draw it very big so that I can be able to name it well. So like this. So this part has a name. This part has a name. Okay, so this is called wick. Yeah, John Wick. Yeah, this is called a wick, and this is called the body of the candle. So this part is the body and this is the wick. So this is the upper wick and lower wick. Okay, this is the wick and this is the body. Okay, so the whole of this is a candle, one candle, just one candle. So let me show you how it looks like on the chart. So let's say, for example, so you see this what it looks like. So this a candle. So let me join so that you see what I'm talking about. So hope you know what I'm talking about. So this a wick. This side is a wick. Okay. So that's what I was trying to explain. So that's what we have wick. So mostly the type of chart we use, everyone use, is the commonly used chart is the candlestick. Okay. So we use the candlestick, and I said the candlestick, we have the body. You already know of the body, the wick. Yeah, the body and the wick. So this is the open. So with this, we have a candle. You can choose to color. You can choose the color you want. Okay. So sometimes when you see a red candle that has the body is red, meaning it's a sell. And when you see a candle that the body is green, it's a buy candle. Okay, so I mean this buy candle, this is the opening price. So this is the open, and this is the close price. You don't use the wick, you use the body for the close price. But with the sell because it's coming down, so it's a sell. So sell, for the sell, this is the open, and this is the sell. You see, mostly when you're going to buy, when you're buying, so let's say like this, I'm using the line chart. So a buy, so you can buy from here. So up, you're buying to go up, and you're selling to come down. So where you sell is your opening price, and where you buy is your opening price. Okay, so that's for the types of charts and what a candle is like, how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you what so we are done with the analysis, market analysis. We are done with the types of charts, and we are done with what a candlestick is. So now I'm going to just briefly show you guys what a support. We have something we call support. And resistance. Okay, so the support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance is, so let me use, because it's very, so I'll use S for support and R for resistance. Okay, yeah, so S for support and R for resistance. So support and resistance is a common and widely used concept in forex trading. It's very common. Mostly that's where we use support and resistance. It is very, 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 very common. Okay, so you see with support and resistance. So let me show you how it looks like from the basics. Okay, so let's say we have something. I'm using the uptrend. Okay, something like this. Okay, and so you see with this support. The word itself, support meaning, so let's say here it's a support, here it's a support, here is a support. So A, B, C is a support, and a resistance. So here is a resistance. I'll use R for the resistance. Here, resistance. Here, resistance. So resistance meaning it's not able, when market got to this region. When market goes to this region, it wasn't able to break, then it pulled back. I remember when I said something called pullback. This is a pullback, and it went up, then pull back. It went up. It wasn't able to break this resistance. So resistance meaning it's not able to break through. So if something is resistance, it's not able to break through, and a support is not able to break below. So this is supporting it to either go up. Okay. And also, how I can say that a support can become resistance in the long run, and a resistance can become a support in the long run. So let's say for example, okay, this was a support, this was a resistance, a resistance, and this is a support, this is a support. Okay, so there can be a scenario where, let's say we have this. So I'll do this line, I'll write this line. So let's say this a resistance. Hope we now know what a resistance is. It's not able to break through. Okay, so let's say this is a resistance, and here is a support. Okay, so let's say the market comes this way, comes this way. So let me extend the resistance line. Okay, so it comes this way. So there's the support, okay, and there's the resistance. So now market comes here, support, it will bounce. Mostly the support bounces the market, so it will bounce. So when it breaks the resistance and it comes this way, there's a small pullback. You see, with this pullback, then it goes up again. You see this resistance now, here it has become a support because it has bounced here. It has become a support. When there's a break, so what just happened is a break. This whole region is a break of resistance. So if there's a break of resistance, mostly you expect a pullback. So there's the pullback. Then the resistance level now becomes a support level. Okay, hope you are getting what I'm saying. The same applies to the support. So with the support, so let's say there's a support here, and markets now, let me extend the support, and market now comes down to break the support level. Then there's a pullback. Mostly you get a pullback. So there's a pullback here, then it comes here. So you see here, there's a break. This place is a break of support level, and now it has come here. Now this support has become a resistance here. So it's failed to break. So now it continues down. So there's now a resistance. So initially it was a support. From this whole region was a support, and now this region is a resistance. Now it has made the market to break. So here is a break of resistance. Then it comes. When it's a break of resistance, the probability of it becoming a support is very high. And when it's a break of support, the possibility of it becoming a resistance is very high. Okay. So basically that's what I would see a support and resistance is. Okay. So I would call it, and I don't long this video, so I would further do more video explaining what some of the terms we have. Okay, so thank you for staying this long to watch to the very end, and I really appreciate you. And please don't forget to ask me a question. You can leave a question in the comment section if in case you don't understand something. Okay, and I'll be doing a PDF for this, so if in case you don't understand, okay, you can just ask me a question, or you DM me personally and I'll answer. Some people are shy to ask me a question in the comment section, so you can just DM me, then I will sort you out. Okay, thank you once again, guys, for watching this video to the very end. I would like to say a very big thank you to my new YouTube subscribers, and also please don't forget to hit and smash the like button. Also don't forget to share for this video to be able to reach the maximum. Okay, so thank you very, guys. See ya.